she goes. That big monstrosity of a boat with no brake lights in the rain. This guy's crazy. He really wanted it.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bit.
Oh my god. Almost don't believe it. It's 3 boats in 1 week. I can't freaking believe it. Unbelievable. Oh my god. We sold the bay boat for 9 grand. We sold the pontoon boat for an incredible flip. And we sold the Copart boat, if you can believe it or not, in the condition it was. Sold the Copart boat 1 week ago. 1 week ago, this day. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. So I had all 3 of these boats listed at the same time on Facebook Marketplace. Was getting plenty of interest on all of them. Actually, it was in order of the bay boat, and then the pontoon boat, and then the Copart. Alright, so I listed the pontoon boat at $12,500. It had some cracks in the seats, and it's slightly underpowered since it's 22 feet long, and it only has a 75 Mercury. That's the only 2 objections I got from people. Other than that, the trailer did not have a title, so I was willing to take a lot less than $12,500, and ended up getting $10,000, and so that was pretty incredible. So once I got this Copart boat home to my house, I realized it's way too much work that I wanted to do, and just wanted to get rid of it. Well, all it really took was me pressure washing it, getting the crap out of the inside, and posting it to Facebook Marketplace, and it was sold basically in 1.5 weeks. During the week while this thing was listed, I actually found a pair of nice white seats that would have only costed $200, and an engine that recently ran for another $100. So I might have been able to put this thing together if I actually tried. 2 years ago, the Bayhawk looked like this. I have done extensive work to it. Repaired the transom, painted the side, put decals on the top. So much work went into this boat. I'm glad I at least made a profit. And in 2 years, we have gone on countless fishing adventures and had so much fun with the family on this boat. Look at this front yard, guys. Not a boat in it. All right, so this is the first time I've not had a boat in my front yard in like 8 months. So we're gonna not put a boat in it, but we are. All right, so my plan for Saturday morning is to replenish my inventory. I have a plan that I think is gonna work out. I'm gonna try and triple my money. We're gonna see.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.